my darlings, welcome back. If this is the first time stopping by, you are very welcome to my channel. This is Temilayo and Mom channel. You want to subscribe. Of course, we have very good videos for you guys here. Okay, so guys, in today's video I want to show you how to make this delicious crunchy buttery cookie. Okay, it's holiday season and I know a lot of us want to try out some snack for our kids, healthy snack we can trust. And yeah, this is a 3 recipe cookie, but yeah, as though I'm extra, I'm going to be adding some vanilla flavor and just garnish some of them with some white chocolate chips. So what you need for this recipe will be listed in the description box. Do well to check it out as we go. Okay, so I've added my icing sugar. This is powdered sugar known as icing sugar. I've added that to my butter. You want to combine this a bit, so when you start using your hand mixer, you're not going to have all of your icing sugar on your table. Okay, so I'm giving this a quick mix and then I will be mixing with my hand mixer. You can go ahead and just mix by whisk or hand, but yeah, I'm using my hand mixer because I have it by me handy. Okay, so I'm going to start using my hand mixer now. You want to do this on high speed until the sugar and the butter is very well combined. You will know when it's well combined because it's going to come out lighter and more fluffy. Okay, so as you can see, our butter and sugar mixture has become fluffy. I'm almost satisfied at this point, but I'm still going to make more. So you want to make sure you bring all of your mixture together using your spatula, and now it's time to add our flour. This is 4 cups of flour. Like I said, all of the measurements will be listed in the description, and at this point I'm going to add a bit of my vanilla flavor, and that is it. Okay, so like I said, this is a 3 recipe cookie and you can add this vanilla flavor or you can't. You can go ahead and add any other flavor of choice. It's just for extra flavor. Okay, so go ahead and mix this by hand just for the butter to combine with the sugar, so you don't have it all over the place when you start using your hand mixer. And once that is done, go ahead and mix with your hand mixer until this is well combined. This will last for 5 to 8 minutes. Just make sure it's well mixed. It's not going to be only well combined, it's going to come up hard, like it's going to be thicker than what you're seeing now. So guys, this is the actual texture and consistency you aim to achieve. This is what your dough should look like, and now we have a very buttery and yummy cookie dough. Okay, so the next thing you want to do, if you have a piping bag, you can go ahead and pipe this to your tray and refrigerate for a few minutes just to get your butter more hardened. But because I don't have a piping bag, or I don't even know how to use a piping bag, I'm going to cover this in the bowl and put in the refrigerator, and that is still going to do the work. Okay, just put in your refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes. Allow this to harden up a bit, and yeah, you are good to go. So a few minutes later, I brought this out from the refrigerator. I've already gone ahead to line my tray. You want to do that. Okay, so now this is what it looks like. It's harder than it was before. I mean, everything is looking more hard. Okay, so now it's time to scoop out, and yeah, like I said, I'm not using a piping bag. That was why I had to refrigerate before I scoop out. So now I'm going to scoop out and just roll with my hands. Yeah, I'm using my bare hands because of course my hands is well washed, and yeah, it's very clean. So you can use glove if you're comfortable working with glove. I am not, so I'm using my bare hands. So what you want to do is to know the size you are going for. I plan to go for a large size because I have a packaging I want to put this in, and I want it to just be one cookie in one package. So I'm going for a bit bigger sizes, and this is what I'm doing. Okay, go ahead and measure with whatever measurements you want to use. And yeah, this is just for me and my daughter, and yeah, she's taking some to school to our friends tomorrow for graduation party. So this is for us, and we can do whatever size we want. So yeah, I'm just going to drop them on the rack, and I'm going to continue rolling out. So guys, I'm done rolling in all of the, not all of them, okay, this is just like the first batch. And yeah, I'm thinking of what design should I use. I don't have any stencil, I don't have anything to put design on this, so I'm trying to explore my kitchen, the normal things in my kitchen, like this fork, as you can see. So I'm just trying to press it down to see how it works, but then it was just sticky, and it occurred to me that if I put flour on, maybe sprinkle some flour on whatever stencil I'm using, it's going to come out well. See, when I was trying to use this measuring cup to put some style on it, but it wasn't coming out, like it was sticking on the cup. So I just explored one or two things, and I ended up with, yeah, good ideas, and it came out really nice. Guys, our cookies are ready. So you can see how lovely they look. I like the cracks, I like the unprofessional stencils and all of that. So what you need to know is, once your cookie comes out from the oven, it's still going to look moist, like you can feel it, and it's going to look just the way you put it, okay? But what you need to do is to allow that to rest on your kitchen counter, and yeah, it's going to be crunchy in no time. Allow it to cool down completely, okay? So it's going to be crunchy, buttery. You're going to get all of the very lovely flavor that you added and all of that. So this is what mine look like. I actually did some smaller size, some bigger size, and here is the packaging I was talking about. I'm going to put it one each in this packaging, and I will show you guys what it looks like. It's actually nice. You need to try this. Mostly when you have maybe kids party, you just need to try this. You can see it's a very minimal ingredient, and it's something that is very easy to get, okay? So let me know if you'll be trying this, mostly for this holiday. Let's give our kids some lovely cookies to enjoy. This is also good for tea time, breakfast. It's not all the time that you eat bread and tea for breakfast. Sometimes it can just be cookie and some hot chocolate, okay? So let me know if you'll be trying this out. Trust me, it's nice, okay? These are the smaller size, and those are the bigger size. You can see what the stencils did, and I'm so proud of this, okay? Let me know. Like I said, leave me a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. I will see you in my next video. I love you guys so much.